Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you that I added LED lights to the girls' room in the gigantic dollhouse that many of you know about. Now if you are new to my channel, the backstory is that I bought this house for just $30 at a community yard sale. Huge house. And ever since I bought it, I've been changing the rooms up, but this is the one that I've changed the most. So I recently shared with you another setting in here with a certain doll. But other than that doll, I am going to be using this one now. And as you can see, she is vintage. Look at her clothing. I think that she can use better days in how she looks. So I bought this at the Dollar Tree, and I think that this would fit her. I'm not sure. See what I'm saying? It looks like it would fit her. So that might be another video dressing her up, because this is a very nice room. And her clothes looks a little old. Even her hair looks like it needs help. Look at that. I guess whoever had it before maybe even cut it. You know what I'm saying? Maybe she needs a few little bows or something on her hair to make her look prettier. So I think that this set of clothing is actually perfect for her. So I hope that you stay tuned for the new bedroom that will take place inside of this room. I thank you for your time, and thank you so much for watching.